What's good, peeps? So stay tuned. Today we're gonna be taking you all on our daily day. We're gonna be heading to Pretoria. We're currently in El Dorado Park. We just picked up my mom's car, so we're heading to Pretoria next to pick up our newly purchased vehicle. So stay tuned. We'll see you in Pretoria.
Terus.
Ya, terus saudara.
Saya jira anak karo kilo.
Excess.
What do you want?
License.
Nice license. Can I touch it?
Как вот это?
Não, eu quem tirar, será não, tuzoyenza awufuni. Ngiyakubuza isho.
Bheke umsebenzi kanjani phambili. Unikwa something ngifuna ukusebenzisa umuntu.
Ayikho into
Ikhona into le. Angifuna uPaul, amulanda uPaul njengena mina.
uPaul ubhizi la isho. Kunemoto ezibhayi Paul.
Why polo? The performance.
Ya bafuna Paul.
Uzomsiza nje.
Yaba ngifuna ukubona umuntu. Ngifuna ukusasa sibuku.
Nice one, Ram. High performance. Young performance. You finish, my bro?
No, it's a lot of pictures here.
Kalau esta trae mi pendas terus. The original interior Leo na reliar.
It don't look like it. Gonna have to get new interior.
Interior is 2000 or whatever the interior. What did they pay now? Yes, what's good, fam? So we got the car hooked up, everything. We were a ballad, but guess what? The Honda is not strong enough. So we had to call a friend. We're waiting on him now. So we're stuck on the N1 still. So yeah, we'll tune in again.
And we knew we're gonna have shenanigans.
Always
One of the
do.
shenanigans. The more drama. And move the Honda forward.
I got your water. You said I'm going to water, right?
What an journey, or what a conundrum to get this vehicle home yesterday. But it was fun and we have a good story to tell. So let's do a first vehicle inspection and then let me know what you think. Don't jump on me, King. Just to walk around. Have you ever seen these type of bonnet? First time I'm seeing this on a Citi Golf. Other than that, she's in pretty good shape. Just need to get her started. And this, here we go. Back door opens. Oh yeah. Surprise! Red interior. So I know you'll notice the red interior. It's not OEM. That has to go. We're already trying to source out the original City Rocks or Velocity interior and door panels as well. Depending on the time frame of how long it takes to get that out, I'm thinking of either rear bolster in there myself. Yeah, and then the next step for us would be to get this baby started. Let's go have a look at the engine bay. Okay. The moment of truth, guys. So after doing an initial vehicle inspection, I could see that this particular vehicle was also the previous owner's project car, because it's not the original engine in here. This is a 2-liter engine, and most of the components in the engine has been replaced, so it's fairly new or partially new, but it has been listed as a non-runner. We don't know as yet. From the surface everything could look okay. As always, wiring is a nightmare when it comes to these cars, or owners when they bypass with their project builds and stuff like that. It was a I system previously, again downgraded to a carburetor, brand new carb from what we can see there. Guys, I don't know why you're doing that, but if you are having problems with your MP9 systems or MPI systems, in fact, because it's easier just to switch it over to MP9, which is more reliable. Just hit us up in the comments and stuff like that. We'll come out, we'll have a look, and even maybe we'll buy the vehicle from you. What I've done is I've changed the spark plugs, changed the bogey cords. The battery didn't need to be changed, luckily. The battery just needed to be charged with no dead cell. Whoop whoop. So that was a save, $30 just for that. So it's a moment of truth, trying to start it up. Side note, please also just subscribe to the channel, help us grow. Most of our viewers, 70% from our viewers, are first time viewers. Please guys, it's absolutely free. Just hit that subscribe button and you'll receive daily lekker chips from Slap Chips. Okay, that is tied up. I'm gonna show you something. Don't worry, the red interior is going to change. So when we picked up the car, there was power to the car, and that's where I saw, okay, now the battery is fairly good. But there's these switches here. This is from a house switch. I figured out this switch here is for the fan.
It's a more light switch.
Yep. This one here, I'm not sure what this one is. It could be a dead switch, because if you put it on, other things come on in the end on the dashboard light. So I'll leave that on. And let's see.
Aish? Oh no. It's alive!
So that is a dead switch, because I was playing with that switch.
Oh no. the same as the other car. It can't idle. Okay, let's give it a break.
Watch out. There's a brick there rather than you.
Oh, I can't. You need to move it forward. Or just go over the damn brick.
Oh.
Right, you just went over the brick. Wait.
Just wants to walk at all. Securing the battery, and then I'm gonna try and take it to the garage. Let the engine just heat up. Hopefully that will help for it to idle on its own. Hopefully whoever redone the engine did the timing correctly. Everything else, unless the carb needs to be tuned, because it is a brand new carb.
The windows, you can't see nothing inside.
Yep, it's a super dark tent.
Ah.
And then we got this dilemma here. First time I've seen something like this.
On a Golf. We've seen it on the other car vehicles.
I've seen it on other vehicles, but not on the Golf specifically. The bonnet also needs to be replaced. Just put that in. Too fast and furious, huh?
Open the gate some more. And the burn. Or what, are you gonna go the other way?
Can't see that. What is the rear view mirror?
You now left the brick again, the back.
Doesn't have enough. Yo, this thing is very fast, yo. Don't like. Shock.
Where'd you go to the garage and then?
Yeah, 200.
And did it stall again?
No, I just pulled the ramp.
Is it faster than the other one?
Very fast. Faster than the CGI.
Yeah. At least now it's idling on its own.
Because I didn't roll the panel, so every time you turn it makes that steering noise.
Ah.
My phone is somewhere under the seat somewhere.
Your phone then even went flying.